The wonders of life got the prettiest side.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today we're going to be decorating my kitchen for Christmas. As you know, I've been very excited to share with all of you the areas of my home that I decorate for this joyful holiday. 2020 has been a rough year, so I thought that I would fill my home early with Christmas joy. I've also decided to add reds into my decor this year because I really need that pop of color. Today's video is part 1 of a 4 or maybe 5-part series. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get reminded when I post a new video. I laid out on the counter some of the things that we're going to be working with today. Some of this stuff is new, like the stuff that I'm going to be using for the cocoa bar. But a lot of it I already had, and I just added pops of red into it.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this.
Okay, let's jump into what I'm doing here. I've decided that this year I'm going to put all my Christmas dishes up in these glass cabinets. I'm going to remove all the things that I have in here and get the shelves cleaned. Also, I'm going to run the glasses and the dishes in the dishwasher because I use these things to serve Christmas dinner.
It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
In just a little bit, I'm going to show you what I use this sticky gum stuff for.
The Christmas lights fill the city.
Okay, I started by putting these glasses here at the bottom. Then I'll go ahead and I'm going to fill in all the rest of the shelves with the bigger pieces before I start decorating with the colored stuff. I like to keep the white serving plates standing up in the back to help bring light into these dark cabinets. It also helps the glasses to stand out. You'll see that I'm constantly opening and closing the doors because I want to see how they look with the doors closed. I purchased these acrylic risers off of Amazon. They help to lift my items off the bottom of the cabinets.
Somewhere with you, without TV or phone.
I'm sorry that my big head's in the way so you can't see exactly what I'm doing. What I am doing is adding another riser so that the gravy boat can stand taller up in the cabinet. But I'll move in just a minute and then you can see.
Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in.
Again, I'm going to put these glasses in front of this white serving tray so that they stand out from the dark background. This is what I use the blue gum for. It's actually poster putty to help hang posters up on your wall, but I use it to help keep things from sliding around. I purchased 3 of these small wreaths from Hobby Lobby. I knew that they would be perfect for me to layer things on.
Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere.
I don't have a place to put my tripod, so I'm trying to decorate and hold the camera. That's why you see some of these funky shots.
Get snowed in somewhere, you and me.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything?
Okay, now that I've got everything set in here, all my larger pieces are in here, I'm going to go ahead and add all the decor. This really helps to bring all the plates to life.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well,
I really love how it all turned out. If you have Christmas dishes, consider using some of them as your decor pieces. There really is no need for us to keep all of our beautiful dishes hidden behind the cabinet doors.
moving nimbly. Did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm.
Okay, now we're going to start working on the cocoa bar. I'm going to remove all my decor here. If you're wondering where I put all the decor that I take down, I'm storing it in the new shelves that we installed in the last video. I'm so glad that I added that extra real estate to that dead space.
The love I lived, the dream I knew.
I always like to start with a clean area, so we're going to go ahead and wipe everything down real quick.
Ocean. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can
I bought this round Christmas sign at Hobby Lobby this year. I knew right where I wanted to put it when I saw it. I had this red placemat from a few years back, and I think it would be a nice spot to put my new Hearth and Hand 2-tiered tray that I got from Target. I also bought these cute little cocoa add-ins. You will see that I bought a larger glass container to hold additional cocoa because I know that this is going to be really popular with my grandkids this year.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join.
Okay, I think I'm pretty close to rearranging all these things. I really think this thing turned out cute. The kids are really going to love making hot cocoa when they come over.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my
I'm going to use another one of these wreaths to layer my Christmas Santa on top of it. I do have some other ideas for this, and I'll show you that towards the end of the video. Okay, this little area is complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start working on the little box that's up on top of my refrigerator. I just need to add a little something in it to make it look Christmassy.
Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
Again, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down so that we start off with a nice clean space.
Tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo. Dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, 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 I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas.
I'm really wishing that I can get this Christmas sign up a little bit higher. Once I get it up on the refrigerator, I figure out another way that I can lift the sign.
Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo. Dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that
I show you this stack of wooden pieces that I think I'm going to set it on, but actually I end up just setting it on the edge of the box, and it works out just fine.
Dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
Okay, now I'm going to start working on this corner of the kitchen. We'll go ahead and start by removing everything, then I'll clean off the counters, and then we can start decorating. I'm going to use this heavy piece of marble to help hold up this plate. I do end up adding a wooden piece underneath the marble that really makes this look a lot nicer, but you'll see that towards the end of the video. And here's my precious little granddaughter. We're in the process of growing out her bangs, and I swear she will not keep her barrettes in. She's such a silly little girl. I end up having to use some command strip hooks to keep this garland up on this picture. Okay, at this point I think I'm done, and I'm going to go ahead and film all the big reveal. But then I sit down and I realize that there's things that I really don't like. So you'll see that I'm about to tweak things.
Bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew.
Okay, first I wanted to add in some Christmas towels. And then here around the corner, I go ahead and I add my diffuser over here. I did have it over by the cocoa bar. And then now I'm showing you that I add the wooden piece underneath that marble piece. I really think that this just adds so much more than just that white piece sitting on the granite. What do you think? Do you like it like that? Now I'm going to keep showing you around, and then I'll point out the things that I've added.
Gonna be you and me, decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
Right here, I added the wooden riser, and then I also added a little metal piece right on top of that wreath so that Santa can sit a little more stable. I think this really makes it look good.
Was on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything.
Right over here on my 3-tier stand, I add more Christmas plates, and then I add a little decor and a candle. There's that extra wreath that I had. Love the smell of this candle too, by the way. Okay, I want to thank you for visiting me today. If you like this video, would you please give me a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I upload a new video. I'll see you next week for part 2 of my Christmas Decor 2020. Stay blessed, my friends.
Tree from